And can we unpack that? How does that look like, doing the work and repairing that rupture?
If you take a camera and you look at it, you see two people facing each other, like me and you now. We look at each other, we notice each other, and then one person speak, and the other person listen. The one that's listening, listen with curiosity, not with judgment. And the one that speak from a place of, my purpose is not to judge you, and my purpose is not to make war with you, but the purpose is to invite you into my experience of the world. But to do that, a lot of things needs to happen. For us to have the capacity to repair, but I don't just want to say just the capacity to repair, the capacity to connect. We need to realize that I am not you and you are not me. We are two unique beings. Like my experience of the world is different than your experience of the world. Your experience of this world is not wrong, and my experience of the world is not right. We have two different experiences of this world. Let me tell you about my experience of the world. And when you listen, you are not listening how I'm right and you are wrong, or you are right and I am wrong. You just listen to my experience of this world. And I tell you not in a way to try to convince you to become like me. It's like I'm a kind host and invite you into my world and say, this is what's happening in my heart. This is our experience. So if I can use an example, yesterday morning, we have just moved to a new house and with bigger space, because my wife also needs to present workshops and she's doing art therapy. But the bigger space is a little bit more expensive. So I'm a little bit uneasy. I'm seeing Anita's not busy organizing workshops. And now. So yesterday morning, I tell her, what's your plans? What's happening? I don't see any plans here. And she tell me, well, next year I'm going to start something on Facebook, and maybe because the year's already at the end, and I think,
Next year.
Next year.
Needs to happen tomorrow.
You can do that. You need to start today. So I tell her something like, next year is next year. You need to start today. It's already a month that we are in this new place. You need to make a plan now. Normally in the past, in our unconscious relationship, she will feel judged. She will feel incompetent. She will get reactive, and she will get out of bed and go on with a day and ignore me for 2 days. And I will feel, but I need to take all the responsibility. You make these plans, but you never keep to your plans. And the power struggle will evolve from that. But luckily, because of a lot of work that we have done, listening to each other, hearing each other's world, experiencing each other, understanding each other's childhood, understanding each other's story, she look at me and she say, you know, when you get critical like that, I know that you are tired and you are working very hard these past few days. I think let's make a plan this weekend to take care of you. You need to rest. So instead of feeling attacked, she take care of me. And that feels so good that she really hear me. I've attacked her. I've done the wrong thing. I tell her she's incompetent and she's not planning and she must make some plans. But she could have the capacity not to hear the attack, but to hear my heart beyond my attack. And that's repair. It's impossible from there to ignore each other for 2-3 days. I feel cared for. I'm at a softer place, so I will also sit with her and say, so how can I help you?